Hi guys, I'm Chetana from Sarvadna Education. The last video you already saw the matrices 5 marks question, right? So today in this video we are going to see the another 5 marks question. So guessing 5 marks question, okay? We'll do. Okay, the first problem we'll see, this is a 5 mark, it carries 5 marks, okay? So y is equal to cos inverse x, we have to prove that. What I am doing the 5 marks questions is definitely guarantee questions. Definitely you will get one question in the final exam. Okay, we'll solve. So first we have to take it as a y is equal to cos inverse x, then start differentiating. Y is equal to cos inverse x and dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Correct, right? So but here in the prove that session they have already given 1 minus x square d square over dx square minus x dy by dx. See, already dy by dx I already done. So one time once again I have to do the differentiation, that is called d square over dx square. That is second derivative. First derivative is dy by dx. Second derivative is d square y by dx square. Correct, right? So again we have to do the differentiation. So before going to start the differentiation, you have to cross multiply. Okay? Because I should get, right, d square over dx square. Before d square over dx square, I should have a 1 minus x square. So to do this, to get this, I have to cross multiply it. Okay? We have to cross multiply. There will be root 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Now you see there are two functions here. One is root 1 minus x square, another one is dy by dx. There are two functions in the product form, that is uv form. Correct, right? We have to apply the uv form. So this is u, this is v. I already write the formula for the uv. uv is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. The same thing you have to follow here. So root 1 minus x square and differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square. See, dy by dx once again if you want to differentiate means once again means it will be like a second derivative. It will be d square y by dx square. So I'll write it here, dy by dx. So once again differentiation is d square y by dx square. Once again differentiation is d cube y by dx cube. So like this will be going on. Okay. But in the prove that section I need only d square by dx square. That's what I'm just adding up with the, in the prove that section I need only d square y by dx square. So that's what only the second derivative is enough here. Plus dy by dx into, I have to differentiate this root 1 minus x square, right? Root 1 minus x square looks like a root x. What is the differentiation of root x? Y is equal to root x. What is the differentiation of root x? It will be 1 by 2 root x. Correct, right? But here root 1 minus x square is, differentiation of the root 1 minus x square is 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into, in the place of x there is 1 minus x square is there. I have to differentiate this. It will be minus 2x. 2 get cancelled. And also is equal to minus 1 differentiation is 0. I'll just put a separation here. Okay, done. Okay, so now root 1 minus x square d square y by dx square plus into minus, correct, minus dy by dx into x divided by root 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So now I have to take a LCM. See, observe, I already got the answer, but still there is somewhat differences there. Here there is no root here, but there is a root here. Correct, right? So if I do the LCM, this root will go. Okay, now do the LCM. So it will be root 1 minus x square whole square d square y by dx square minus dy by dx into x divided by root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square is equal to 0. The whole thing divided by root 1 minus x square. So what is the final answer here? The square root get cancelled. 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. See, I got the answer. Correct? Okay guys, so second question, 5 marks question. Okay, so y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. They have given the question, correct, right? So now we have to show that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. Here what is y2? y2 is nothing but, so before going to tell y2, what is y1? y1 is nothing but dy by dx. What is y2? It is a second derivative. Okay, in the first class of differentiation video itself, I have already told you how to represent the dy by dx, d square by dx square and all in a different form. Again, once again, I'll write it here. So y1 is nothing but dy by dx. Sometimes we can represent as a y dash also. And y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. Sometimes it can be a y double dash also. Okay. So y3, that is nothing but d square d cube y by dx cube. Sometimes it will be y triple dash. Okay, done? So these you should know while doing the 5 marks differentiation problem. We'll see. Y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sine of log x, correct, right? So now we have to do the differentiation because in the question they have mentioned y2, y1 the same way. We can just go ahead. So y1 is nothing but dy by dx, that is 3 into minus sine log x, because it looks like cos x. What is the differentiation of the cos x? It is minus sine x. So I have written minus sine. It's a chain rule. Okay, don't forget it's a chain rule. But in the place of x there is a log x. Again, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus 4. It looks like sine x, correct, right? Sine x differentiation is cos log x. Again, log x differentiation is 1 by x. Now can I take 1 by x common here? See here also 1 by x is there, here also 1 by x is there. I can take common. So y1 is equal to 1 by x of, so minus 3 sine log x plus 4 cos log x, correct? Yes. So in the previous problem we did know the cross multiplication the same way. When you are solving the 5 marks question, whenever you get the fraction in the right hand side, you have to always do the cross multiplication, then do the differentiation. See here I got 1 by x here, do the cross multiplication. So it will be x y1 is equal to minus 3 sine log x, put a bracket. So plus 4 cos log x, correct? So now there are two functions here, u, v. Okay, once in the 5 marks questions, whenever you will get the fraction form in the right hand side, you have to do always the cross multiplication. After doing the cross multiplication, you have to always do the uv form. Okay, you have to always apply the uv form, don't forget. So this is v. So keep x as it is, and y1 differentiation, the next differentiation, the second differentiation of the y1 is y2. Okay, plus keep y1 as it is, and the x differentiation is 1 is equal to minus 3. When you're doing the uv form, you have to do the differentiation on both the sides, left hand side and the right hand side as well as. Okay, so you can't do only the left hand side and keep simply the right hand side as it is. No, you can't do like that. You have to always do the differentiation on both the sides, because some people get confused. In the starting itself we already did the differentiation. Again, once again we have to do that because there is a second derivation, correct, right? The second derivative is that we have to do the second time differentiation. Minus 3 cos log x, because it looks like a sin x. Sin x differentiation is cos x, that's what cos log x, and in the place of x there is a log x. No, again the differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus 4 into cos x. It looks like a cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x, minus sine of log x, and log x differentiation is 1 by x. It's a chain rule. Okay, again can I take 1 by x common here? See here 1 by x is here, 1 by x is here. I can take common there, correct, right? X y2 plus y1 is equal to 1 by x if I take a common bracket minus 3 cos log x minus 4 sin log x, correct? I put a bracket here and again still I can take minus common here, so minus 1 by x of 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, correct? So again xy2 plus y1. Observe the question. There is a x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. Before y2 there is a x square, correct, right? Here before y2 there is a x. And right hand side already fraction is there. I told you in the right hand side if you have a fraction is you have to do the cross multiplication. Now I have to do the cross multiplication here. So it will be x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to minus of, guys, one thing you have to observe, 3 cos log x 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x is nothing but the question. Question is nothing but y. So can I replace it as a y? Yes. So y. Then I have to bring this to left hand side. So x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. This is my answer.